you thinking about buying from Elle Toronto, but don't know if it's a legit store or just another online scam? I decided to take a close look at elletoronto.com to find out what's really going on behind the website. Starting with customer reviews, I noticed a mix of experiences. Some people were satisfied with their orders, while others complained about delays or products not matching the pictures. The trust scores of the site aren't terrible, but they're not flawless either, which raises some questions about reliability. Delivery times varied a lot depending on the item, with some arriving fairly quickly and others taking much longer than expected. Product quality also seemed inconsistent. A few items looked fine and matched the photos, but some fabrics and finishes felt cheaper than advertised. When it comes to returns, the process exists, but there are reports of slow responses and unclear instructions, which might frustrate anyone needing a quick refund or exchange. Pricing is decent compared to some big-name retailers, but you have to weigh that against the uncertainty of whether you'll get exactly what you ordered on time. Overall, Elle Toronto doesn't seem like a clear-cut scam, but it's not completely risk-free either. The store has legitimate-looking products and a functioning website, but the inconsistencies in delivery, quality, and customer service mean that shopping here carries a level of unpredictability. If you're comfortable taking a little risk for potentially good deals, it could be worth a try, but if reliability is your top priority, it might be better to look elsewhere. This review is meant to give you the full picture of what to expect, neither fully positive nor negative, so you can make an informed decision before spending your money online.